Here we are going to compare an Abercrombie and Fitch t-shirt with a Hollister shirt. We are going to have a closer look at the used materials and characteristics. The textile material of both shirts is made from 100% cotton. Abercrombie is producing in Cambodia and the Hollister shirt was produced in Vietnam. The price labels look identical. They just have slightly different font types. Abercrombie is sewing a label on the inside of the shirt's back and Hollister is printing their branding. The collars have a different width. This element is also identical. The seams of both clothing items are different and the one used by Abercrombie and Fitch is not standard and more unique. The cotton of the pink shirt feels just a tiny bit softer, but they are both made of 100% cotton. The labels inside are identical. The biggest difference is that an Abercrombie and Fitch shirt is usually double the price compared to a Hollister item. It's up to you to decide which brand you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone.